Ever wondered which exercises can give you a full-body workout while being easy to learn? You're in the right place. Welcome to a fresh perspective on fitness, where we prioritize simplicity and efficiency. This isn't about spending countless hours in the gym. It's about smart, effective workouts that you can master quickly. Today we're diving into 3 powerhouse exercises that do just that: the low incline bench press, the Pendley Row, and the barbell back squat. Each of these exercises is designed to target multiple muscle groups, providing you with a comprehensive, full-body workout. Not only are they highly effective, but they're also easy to learn, making them ideal for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. So, whether you're looking to start your fitness journey or shake up your existing routine, these exercises have got you covered. Ready to revolutionize your fitness routine? Stay tuned. Our first exercise is the low incline bench press, a fantastic movement for your upper body. The low incline bench press is a variation of the traditional bench press, designed to target not just your chest but your shoulders and triceps as well. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your upper body and improve overall muscle balance. Let's dive into how to perform the low incline bench press. Start by setting the bench at a low incline, around 15 to 30 degrees. This angle allows for optimal engagement of the upper chest and shoulders. Lie down on the bench with your feet firmly on the ground. Grab the barbell with a grip that's slightly wider than shoulder width. Unrack the barbell and hold it straight over your chest with your arms fully extended. This is your starting position. Now inhale and slowly lower the barbell to your chest. It's crucial to keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your torso. This helps protect your shoulders from unnecessary strain. Once the barbell gently touches your chest, push it back up to the starting position while exhaling. Remember to keep your back slightly arched and your shoulder blades retracted throughout the movement. This stabilizes your body and allows you to lift heavier weights safely. Performing the low incline bench press regularly can result in improved upper body strength and a more defined chest. It's a versatile exercise that can be incorporated into any workout routine, regardless of your fitness level. But let's not forget the golden rule of weightlifting: form over speed. Rushing through the movement can lead to injury and less effective muscle engagement. So, take your time, focus on your form, and make each rep count. Remember, form is crucial. Don't rush, focus on your movement, and you'll see results. Next up, we have the Pendley Row, a phenomenal exercise that targets your back and shoulders. This exercise is named after Glenn Pendley, a renowned weightlifting coach who popularized this particular form of rowing. So, how do you execute the Pendley Row correctly? Let's break it down. Start off by standing with your feet hip-width apart, a barbell on the ground in front of you. Keeping your back straight, bend at the hips and knees until you're almost parallel to the floor. Reach out and grab the barbell with an overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. This is your starting position. Now, with your core engaged and your back in a neutral position, pull the barbell up to your lower chest. Remember, it's all about control. You don't want to jerk the weight up. Instead, focus on using your back muscles to do the lifting. Once the barbell touches your chest, lower it back to the starting position on the ground. That's 1 rep. The Pendley Row is a powerhouse of an exercise for several reasons. First, it's compound, meaning it works multiple muscle groups at once. Specifically, it targets the muscles in your back, including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapezius. It also works your biceps and the muscles in your shoulders. Second, the Pendley Row encourages good form. Because you return the barbell to the ground after each rep, it helps keep your back in a safe, neutral position. This can reduce the risk of injury and make your workout more effective. Finally, it helps improve your overall strength and power, particularly in your upper body. It's a staple in many strength and conditioning programs for this very reason. Achieving the perfect Pendley Row takes time and patience, but the results are well worth the effort. So, give it a go, and you might just find it becoming a regular part of your fitness routine. Last but not least, we introduce the barbell back squat, a staple exercise that targets your lower body. The barbell back squat is a classic, a cornerstone in the world of strength training and bodybuilding, and for good reason. It's a comprehensive compound exercise that recruits a wide range of muscle groups, from your quadriceps and hamstrings to your glutes and even your core. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of performing this powerful workout. Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, your toes slightly pointed out. Position the barbell across your upper back, ensuring it's resting comfortably on your trapezius muscles. Hold it with an overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Now brace your core. Keep your chest up and your back straight as you bend your knees and hips to lower your body. Imagine you're trying to sit on a chair behind you. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as far as your flexibility allows you to. Then, push through your heels to stand back up, extending your knees and hips until you're back to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Performing the barbell back squat can bring about a plethora of benefits. It's an excellent exercise for building strength and muscle mass in your lower body. It also improves your balance, your coordination, and even your bone density. Moreover, because it's a compound exercise, it can help burn more calories and boost your overall fitness level. But remember, as with any exercise, maintaining proper form is critical. Keep your back straight, your core engaged, and your movements controlled. This is not just to maximize the benefits of the exercise, but also to prevent potential injuries. Remember, the barbell back squat is a powerful exercise, but it's essential to maintain proper form to avoid injuries. Well, there you have it. 3 efficient exercises that provide a comprehensive full-body workout. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered in this session. We began with the low incline bench press, a fantastic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Remember, the trick is to keep a controlled motion, focusing on your form over the weight you lift. Patience and practice, that's the key. Next, we moved on to the Pendley Row. This one's a real game changer for your back and biceps. It's all about pulling the barbell up to your chest in a smooth and controlled manner. And let's not forget, keeping your back straight is crucial to avoid any unwanted strain. And finally, we dove into the barbell back squat, the king of all exercises. It targets your entire lower body, engaging the glutes, quads, and hamstrings, all while strengthening your core. The key here is to keep your chest up and your knees in line with your toes as you lower into the squat. These 3 exercises, when performed correctly, can offer a comprehensive workout, targeting multiple muscle groups and enhancing your overall strength and fitness. But remember, it's not about rushing through the motions. It's about doing it right and doing it consistently. As you incorporate these exercises into your routine, be mindful of your body. Listen to it. If something doesn't feel right, take a step back, reassess your form, and adjust as needed. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. So take your time, stay committed, and you'll see the results in due course. Before we wrap up, let's not forget the most important aspect of any fitness journey: motivation. Stay driven, stay focused, and keep pushing yourself. After all, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video. Before you go, remember to hit that subscribe button to join our health-conscious community. Subscribing to Monster Health Tips is like embarking on a journey towards a healthier you. It's a commitment to yourself, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Every video we share is packed with tips and tricks to help you enhance your well-being, and subscribing ensures you won't miss any of them. But we're more than just a channel, we're a community, and communities thrive on interaction. That's why we invite you to leave a comment below. Share your thoughts, tell us about your experiences, or suggest what you'd like to see in future videos. All your feedback, be it a pat on the back or a constructive critique, helps us tailor our content to better serve you. Your feedback is our guiding star. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.